Hello learner, in today's session we are going to learn how to make a 3D isometric text like this, and you can use it for various purposes, make posters like this or t-shirts like this. So let's get started. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is enter our text. So if you have three parts to your text, like let us grow together, so you might want to keep let us grow together as individual words for this purpose. I'm going to copy this here. So here you can alter the text sizes based on your preference. So I'm going to keep it something like this itself. This will do. The first thing we're going to do is figure out how to do the isometric view of this word. Go to Effects, 3D, Rotate. So here there are various ways to go about it, and this is the plane that we're looking at it now. So we're going to change it. Go to Preview. You can do this based on how you want your text. So just first get the hang of which side you need to rotate things with. So sometimes, like if you need this option, like if you need the arculapse to be facing the other way, you can simply just rotate. Something like this will do. The only problem here, if you can see already, is that when you click on this, you will still get our original text itself and not the rotated one. So you just need to adjust your layers according to that. So yes, this is the base of our 3D text. So the next thing we're going to do is get the 3D effect in place. So here I need 10, and you can now figure out in which direction you need the vertical or the horizontal to be. Something like this, and you can add a stroke that will make things clearer. So something like this will do. So we'll repeat the same for this as well. This is it. It's a very simple thing actually, so just these settings, but you can use this here to, you can use this for logos, you can use it for typography, posters, etc. So now I'm going to show you how to add gradients to this. So first I'm going to create outlines of this, and then we can add gradients. You can select the color based on your preference again here. There are two options where you can provide the gradient linear or in a radial manner, but I would rather prefer linear. So this is sort of a preset that we already have, but when you want to create a particular kind of in a certain angle and things like that, you can use gradient tool. And now in the direction that you are applying the gradient, it's going to follow. So if you want this whole text to start from green and then move towards S from L to S. So what this gradient tool does is, if you see Archilabs and you say linear, it follows from top to bottom, from green to orange. But what we want is the gradient to follow in the same axis as the text itself. So that's where this tool helps you. So you can already see the difference that we have here. So if you need to change the color, you can do that. So I don't need that many axis points. I'm just gonna have blue. Let's see how this looks. So, yeah. So select this and then you make your edit changes. So we are going to make this blue here at one edge and see how that looks. Okay, and we're going to do the same for this as well. So here we're going to establish which way we want our gradient to move. So if you want it across, starting from A to S, so we move it this way. So here I would just like to increase the stroke of this a bit and see how that looks. Maybe a little more. Yes. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this session. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment in our comment section for what you would like to see next. Thank you. And with Lomos, let us grow together.